Life is amazing. I don't mean just my life or just human life. I'm talking about life in general. Every living thing is made out of the same materials as non-living things: protons, neutrons, and electrons. Atoms are non-living things, but if you put them together in the right way, you get something that can interact with and adapt to its environment. Some forms of life can even describe their environment and even their very existence. It would be easy to conclude that this is the gift of a divine being, but the easiest conclusion is not always one we should jump to. It would be easy to decide that the sun revolved around the earth, but on closer inspection it was revealed that it's the other way around. Maybe life is also worth a closer look for those of us with the courage to look away from gods for the answers. Plants and animals are made of many smaller living things called cells. A cell is the smallest unit of life, and the first form of it believed by scientists to have evolved. No single cell can interact with its environment on the scale that an organism can. Is this why they get together to form them? Let's not jump to another easy conclusion. Why would two cells work together? Because cooperation is more conducive to survival than competition. It works whether the participants know it or not, and it works whether there is an outside force guiding it or not. Two partners working together don't require much coordination, but millions of them definitely do, and the collection of cells that does that is known as the brain. The consciousness is what represents a living being. It is credited with granting awareness of a being's environment and existence. It would be easy to say that it is a spiritual component of a human, but we can dig deeper still. Living things experience the world with their senses. Senses evolved in order to give living things the ability to gather information about their surroundings so that they could survive more easily. Every advantage one life form gets necessitates that its competitors or prey gain advantages as well. So the more senses an animal has, the better equipped it is for survival. Every aspect of physical reality can be experienced through the senses. If anything is missing, it can't be important to life, or else a sense would have evolved. Consciousness is awareness of one's surroundings, also known as the senses, which are controlled by the brain. The brain is nothing more than a collection of cells whose purpose is to regulate the body's processes and interpret the senses. If a person's consciousness has nothing to do with spirits, and neither do his emotions, which are also the function of the brain, what does a spirit actually do, and what is it made of? Why do we even need one?